Wow, GCXpo 2024 right here at Area X.0. What a day it's been. When we started early this morning, the sun just kind of peeked out and we went, oh, what do you know? The sun's out, warm weather, incredible day. I mean, we talked to so many people, so many innovators, over 70 companies, innovators, entrepreneurs, small business owners, demonstrators, exhibits, and well over 1,000 people showed up for GCXpo 2024 right here at Area X.0. It's been an incredible day. We featured robotics, right? Agriculture and agri-tech, innovations, robotic technology, smart city solutions. I mean, who didn't love that dog, right? By the robots. And over at the DART facility, the testing area, there was so much to see. And what it all says is that Canadian innovation is strong and it's only getting stronger. This event, unforgettable folks that we spoke to. I love the family aspect of some of these companies as well. You got the brother-sister duo, the family team dynamics, and it's all about Canadian innovation and how we're moving forward here, promoting smart cities and safe cities. This has been, whew, what a day, what a day. Hey, GCXpo 2024, it's a wrap.